Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily buy T-bills on Schwab. So all you have to do is head over to schwab.com and log into your account by entering your login ID and password. Then just click on login. Next, once you're logged into your account, just hover your mouse on trade, then click on bonds. Next is just click on find bonds and fixed income. Then next is just click on new issues. Then next in the bond type drop down menu, just select Treasury auctions. And from here, just select the Treasury bond that you want to buy. Just click on buy beside it. You will then see a preview of your order, and to proceed, just click on review order. Also, be sure to place an order before the auction date, as the new issue bonds will stop being offered on the auction date. And just by that, you have now successfully bought Treasury bills on Schwab. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!